Let's take a look together at how to set up a parent access account for Schoology. The first thing I want to make sure, when I use the term parent access account, it's really a family access account. Parent access is just the term that Schoology uses, but certainly this could be used by any legal guardian for a given student. Now, in order to create a parent access account within Schoology, you'll need three things. The first thing that you'll need is the parent access code for the desired child. Now, this is different than the course access code. This code will most likely be given to you by either the student's teacher or perhaps the main office or building administration at your child's school. The second thing you'll need is either a valid email address if you want to receive email notifications, or a username that you can create your account with. Now, if you're using an email address, again, that will allow you to receive email notifications from Schoology if you desire, but this has to be an email address that's unique to the Schoology system as a whole. The most likely case this may be an issue is if you are a teacher in one district, but trying to create a parent access account in another district, you can't use your teacher address to create a parent access account. So really, we recommend using perhaps a personal account for this one. The last thing that's important to note here, and this is a very rare instance, but you can have one parent access per district. We can't cross districts. So we've seen some cases where a parent has one child that's in District A and another child that's in District B. And unfortunately, the way Schoology currently has their system set up, that will require that parent to have two separate parent access accounts, each with their own unique address. But let's take a look at how to create an account for parent access within Schoology. It starts by going to the website Schoology.com, and in the upper right-hand area, you'll see an option to sign up. And when I hover over that, I have three options: sign up as an instructor, a student, or a parent. Now, we do want to select the parent option in this case. That will bring you to a website where it's asking for the access code that's provided, again, either by your child's instructor, your child's teacher, or perhaps by the main office or building administration at your school. For this case, I have a parent access account code right here all set up. So I'll copy that and bring it back and paste it in to that area and click continue. Now, this is where I have to enter in some information. So I want to set up my the first name, the last name. Here's where I'm going to put a valid email address or a username. Again, the big difference between those two is using a valid email address will allow you to get email notifications from Schoology. Set your password, retype to confirm your password, and then, quite frankly, I'm going to recommend you uncheck this box to subscribe to the Schoology Exchange blog, because most likely you don't really need that. But we do want to click to register and agree to the privacy policy, which I would highly suggest clicking on this link and reading through just so you're aware of what you're signing, and the terms of use, which again, you're more than welcome to click on that link and go through the terms of use. But when you're all set, you can click register at the bottom. So let me take a second, put some information in here, and we'll get going. All right, so in this case, I have put in fake information. You'll want to make sure that you put in your true, valid information as far as first name, last name, which please keep in mind is visible within the course to both the instructor and your child. The valid email address, I've entered and re-entered my password. I've unchecked the subscribe to the blog and checked the registration agreement, and I'll now click register to create my account. I can see that in this case, I'll choose not to accept my password. I'm going to be walked through a little bit of a tour of Schoology, which these videos are also meant to do. So for right now, I'm going to X this out. In this case, I've created the parent account based on a student enrolled in the Windsor Central School District, which is why you see their logo here and their theme. Depending on your district, it may look a little bit different. I also can see that in the top right-hand corner is the first name and last name that I have set as a parent. So now that we've created our parent access account for Schoology, in the next few videos, we'll take a quick tour around to see what is available to us with that parent access account.